What is going on, everybody, and welcome back. Today we're actually working on the Jeep because I had a little boo-boo. So it wasn't trail oriented or anything. The other day when my brother was walking past it with some material, he kind of took out the corner of it and put a nice, well, yeah, as you can see. So I got some new ones. So the mailman just came and dropped these bad boys off. They are from Amazon, but I'd rather have cheap working ones than not working ones at all. So I haven't opened them yet. Let's get to it. So these are just regular aftermarket Amazon specials. Let's open them up. Not that bad looking for some Amazon specials. Two of these would have cost me the price of one OEM replacement. That's why I opted to go with these. So let's get them on there and see how they look. Right now, what my instructions are telling me is that there's only 4 Phillips head screws holding this light housing in. So let's see if I'm right here. Hey. So I was right, just the 4 screws. So I just unplug this harness here and move this harness to the back of the other light so everything stays together, and it should just plug and play just like that. Right, old light is off. I cleaned up all the dirt that was behind there. I'm just gonna plug this bad boy in, and there we are. Doesn't look too bad. I'm just gonna quickly do the same thing here onto the passenger side, and then we'll do a light test. Alright, and they're all done. They don't look too bad if you ask me. Let me just go grab my keys, and we'll see how they look with some light going through them. It's not too bad. Those are just the running lights. So I'll do the brakes, throw it in reverse, and then I'll hit the signals. Well, I hope they look good. Let me check this out. Alright, now after looking back at the footage, I'm absolutely in love with these things. For 85 or 90 bucks, you really can't go wrong with, you really can't. They only took me 15 or 20 minutes to install, and a Phillips screwdriver. The true test with them in our Canadian weather is going to be the moisture behind the lens. But they're Amazon specials, so I'm really not too concerned. As long as they get me through the winter, I'll be more than likely okay with it. But that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Take her easy.